Hey, Midwest Picker here. My name's Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator, full-time father, husband, making these videos to help people that are new to reselling, not just eBay, pretty much any platform. I do what's sold on eBay videos, sourcing videos. Down in the description, I have links to how to ship, how to source, how to list, how to determine your platform, kind of like how-to videos. So we're going to get into what sold, and I'm going to do an unboxing. So I'm really excited. So I've had some good sales, probably about 5 since my last what sold on eBay video. So probably not awesome, but not too bad for a part-timer. One of my sales sold faster than an Elvis hit record. I mean, I listed it. What? Joey's never heard of Elvis. You've never heard of Elvis before? Are you kidding me? He's never heard of Elvis. I know you've heard his songs before. Okay. Try this out. Let's see here. There we go. I need a microphone. I got a pen. All right. Collar won't stay up like Elvis, but I'll try my best. All right, Joey, tell me if you've heard this before. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. How about that? Are you kidding me? Blue suede shoes. Jailhouse Rock. You've never heard of any of that. Really? I don't pay Joey to be good. He's good for nothing. All right, so let's talk about what sold. The first one I call a boom. So if you're new to my channel, I kind of describe my sales as a meh, not a big deal, barely made any money, lost money. A boom is something I did really good, and a home run is the best. So I kind of give them little categories. So this one was a boom, big prime time treasure hunter boom. This is Frost King pipe tape insulation. So if you live in cold weather states, sometimes people will put this insulated tape around their water pipes, and then it prevents them from freezing up. So I sold a lot of 6 of these to a guy down in Texas. Cost of goods and sourcing was free. I got these from a friend, a YouTube friend and an in-person friend, Captain Jack Scrapper. He's on YouTube. Check out his channel. He's a fantastic guy. He does wheeling and dealing. He buys, sells, gives things away. I give things to him. He gives things to me. He's part of the RV community on YouTube. Fantastic people. Check out his channel if you're into scrapping, if you're into local history, if you're into RVs, whatever. He goes live a lot, and he's got recorded videos, so check him out. So he gave me these insulated tape things for pipes, I guess. I've never had to use them before. People that live in trailer homes might have to use them. Maybe RV people use them. Who knows? I had best offers turned on. No offer. The guy just paid up $29.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Next sale is kind of sad, I guess. This is a new knife. I put it on sale just to move out the inventory. Sold for $8.46 plus first class shipping on top. Cost of goods is almost $5, so I kind of took a loss on this one just to move them out. I had used knives made in the USA, real high quality, sold for a lot of money, 30, 40, 50 bucks a piece. These are less expensive knives that are brand new, so I'm just kind of blowing them out. Actually, the cost of goods is more like $3. So $3 into $8, I still consider that kind of a bust. Next one is a home run.
Get over his head, way back, he looks up, you can put it on the board!
This is a National Geographic wall map. So this is from the 1930s. It probably came inside a National Geographic magazine. My cost of goods is about 10 cents. I've talked about this ephemera before. I went to a flea market, Burley Park, last year. Got a paper grocery bag filled with ephemera for 20 bucks. Really hard to do the math on cost of goods, but if you divide the number of items by 20 bucks, it's about 10 or 20 cents a piece. It's very inexpensive. This sold for $12.71 because it was on sale. The buyer paid first class shipping on top. Super light, 6-7 ounces maybe. And if you're curious, items like ephemera, I sandwich them in between 2 pieces of cardboard, and then actually what I do first is I put the ephemera in a plastic sleeve, like a magazine or comic book sleeve, seal it up. Then I sandwich it in between 2 pieces of cardboard, and then it goes in a poly mailer, and then it goes out. Never had a problem before. This next one is a meh. I mean, it's okay. It's a 6-pack of brand new blank VHS tapes. I love selling cassette tapes and VHS tapes. Not bad if you can source them cheap. I think I sourced these at an estate sale for $4, which is a little high. They sat in my eBay store for a long time at $14.95 plus priority mail shipping on top because they're very heavy. Then I put them on sale and they sold for $12.71. Cost of goods $4, so that was an okay sale. Next one is a boom! New Leader political magazine from 1966. Cost of goods about $1. I got this in an ephemera lot from Mr. Buys a Lot. So this was an auction. A whole box of stuff, I guess, is about $130, but it was just jam-packed full of ephemera. If you don't know Brian Davis, Mr. Buys a Lot. If you don't know Brian Davis, Mr. Buys a Lot, he has online auctions right now. It could change on YouTube Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at 1 p.m. Now that, like I said, that could all change, so just go subscribe to his YouTube channel. He does wholesale lots too on his YouTube channel. Does a little bit of both, but his auctions are really exciting. So my cost of goods, I don't know, maybe $1. This was on sale for about $12, and then I got a best offer of $10 plus first class shipping on top. So I figured, why not? My cost of goods is about $1. Got an offer for $10, so I took it. This last one is a sad one. I talked about this on my Sunday Night Live. This is a Nintendo Switch controller. So I was at a Marshall store with Mrs. Midwest in Auburn Hills, Michigan. I was in the checkout line. It took about an hour to check out. I'm not kidding. And they got all of that spontaneous, candy and beef jerky and all that stuff they want you to buy as you're waiting to check out. I looked down and somebody dropped a Nintendo Switch controller, brand new in the box, just sitting there. And I think it was on clearance for like $17, $18. And I had plenty of time to look at comps. So I did look up comps, and they were all over the place. Anywhere from $25 to $45 to $50 to $18, like what I had to pay. So I figured, I was bored, so I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I just bought it anyways, which was kind of dumb. So I took a best offer of $25 plus priority mail shipping on top. I got a little experience and looking it up and figuring out what it was. It was Pokemon. I don't know anything about Pokemon. Got great feedback, so I did okay. I probably broke even or less. Maybe my cost of goods wasn't 18, maybe it was 16. I don't know. But whatever it was, I overpaid way too much. All right, so let's go to the unboxing portion of this video. All right, this is the unboxing portion of this video. I blacked out the addresses to protect the innocent. This is from Lucky Charm WenDee. Shout out to her channel. And this is from Greg, No Money G. Shout out to his channel. I know what this is. I have no idea what this is. WenDee sent me a message saying she's going to send me something for my taste testing Sunday Night Live. I have a feeling it's something gross, which is cool because that means she knows me. And then this is a wholesale lot I purchased to resell from Greg. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. See if I can do this without cutting my finger off. Hopefully I don't damage. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause the camera, cut it open, and then we'll open it together. Okay, I haven't looked inside. I just kind of hacked it open. Got a rubber band there. Might have to pause it again. This is like so difficult to do with one hand. Alright, I'm going to pause it again. Alright, this is so cool. And she wrote a note here. Dear Dave, hope you are recovering from your heart procedure. Prayers for you and Mrs. Midwest Picker. Taste test Sunday. Lucky Charm. Hugs, WenDee. That's very nice of her to do that. I'm going to keep that. Put that in my archive of nice notes from people. Put it up there. Actually, we'll put it here by Enoch. There we go. That looks good. Alright. So, what do we have here? It is a something organic. I hope it's not insects. Let's see. Oh, it's seaweed. Teriyaki premium roasted seaweed crackers. Now that I'm not afraid of. I thought it was grasshopper crackers, but I'm going to save that for Sunday night. Oh, bubble wrap. I'll save bubble wrap too. Cardboard. I'm going to save this. And this one, hopefully this is not grasshopper crackers. And let's see if I can get this open. Alright, this one is premium sea salt seaweed. Nice. So it's sea salt seaweed and teriyaki seaweed. I'm not afraid of that. I don't know what that's going to taste like. Let's see if there's any sweetener. Organic seaweed, organic sunflower oil, and sea salt. So there's no sweetener. It's probably a bit bitter. But there's my Sunday Night Live food supply. Thank you, WenDee. Big shout out to Lucky Charm WenDee. Check her out on YouTube. Look at that. I get a rubber band. Can do all kinds of tricks with it. All right. He wrapped this thing up so well. You can see there's a poly bag on the outside of a box with tons of bubble wrap inside. This thing could have went to the North Pole and back. He did such a great job of boxing this up. So this is No Money G. Greg. Thank you card here, which he included, which is very nice. I'm going to keep that. Let's see, I'll put that in my primetime cup like this. And I'll do something like, I don't know, maybe I'll do it like this. I'll fix it later, but there we go. I got Enoch, Greg, WenDee. All right. So I purchased from Greg about 50,000 rulers. No, not really. I think it's 130 or 160. I don't remember. Another thank you card from Greg. It's a variety of different things. M&M and Disney, I think. I don't even know, but it's just a plexiglass ruler. So I bought these to resell. And yeah, they're pretty sweet. I have no idea what the comps are, what I'm going to price them at, but he gave me a very good price. And it's about a 25-pound box. It's super heavy, hundreds. Well, I don't know, hundreds. A lot. A crap ton, a buttload, as Dawn would say from Two Hit Chicks. So there's the unboxing. Thanks again, Greg, No Money G. And thank you for the food, Lucky Charm WenDee. So that's the unboxing portion. Again, a big thank you to Lucky Charm. I think it's Lucky Charm or Charms. I'm not sure. WenDee. I'll put her YouTube channel up here. I'm going to use that stuff Sunday night. So today is Friday, February 12th. So in a couple days on my Sunday Night Live, I'm going to eat that seaweed cracker stuff. So make sure you come back for that. And a big thank you to No Money G Greg for selling me that wholesale lot of rulers. I don't even know how many are in there. I have to inventory what I have and get those listed. So that's really fun to buy wholesale lots from people on YouTube. So check out both of their channels. And then for my channel, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. And then if you have any questions at all, put them down in the comment section. You can also email me. Go to MidwestPicker.com, and that links to everything I have. And then my email's down below too. So that's it, guys. Shout out to Elvis. I'm going to have to educate Joey on that. Until next time, see ya.